Rich from Anywhere Squad, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop people from being able to copy and paste all your product descriptions and download the images off of your Shopify store and then being able to use it for themselves, all right? This app is gonna be free, it's gonna be easy to install, so definitely stick around. I'm gonna get into that in just a second. But if you are new to Rich from Anywhere, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified when we drop gems like this. And hit the like button one time, drop a comment below if you guys don't mind supporting the channel. We really appreciate it. So you might be asking, why do I care about people copying my stuff, right? Well, the thing is when you're building your Shopify website, you put a lot of time and energy into, creating these really nice product descriptions or uploading these really nice images that you made. And then here comes along another marketer that can just literally copy and paste the whole thing and use it on their website. So this app is gonna actually stop people from being able to do that. That way you can actually stay more unique and stand out from everybody else. Also, if you're a Shopify or e-commerce business owner and you're looking for a really good marketing coach that will work with you one-on-one to help you take your marketing to the next level, make more sales, optimize your website, stuff like that, definitely hit us up. We have an amazing mentorship program that we've built out and it's designed specifically for you. So click the link in the description below, get some more details on that, and hit us up if you're interested. So with that being said, let me go ahead and share my screen now and show you the app, how to install it so people can stop copying your stuff. All right, so go ahead and log into your Shopify dashboard, and on the left-hand side, go ahead and hit apps. And when you get there, go up to the top right-hand corner and click customize your store. All right, this is gonna take you to the Shopify app store. And when you get there, go up to the top search bar and type in disable right click. All right, and the search results will give you a bunch of different apps that do this. We've tried a couple of them, but the one that we like the most is by Electric Apps right here. So go ahead and click that. All right, and you can scroll down here. You can see a lot of people leave a lot of good reviews about this app. I think it works really, really well. You can actually click view demo store and it'll take you to a demo store and you can see, look, I can't highlight any of this. I'm trying to highlight it. I'm trying to download these images. It won't let me do anything. It's like I can't even access this stuff at all. This is awesome. This is what it's going to do for your store. Okay. So again, if you want to come down and read some of the reviews before, go ahead. But whenever you've made your decision, go ahead and click add app. All right. This will start installing it on your store. Go ahead and click install app. And voila, just like that. Boom, it is installed on your store, okay? It does have some different settings here, so just make sure that, all the settings match with, whatever you want to actually protect. But just like that, guys, when I said that this was easy, I was not lying. It is already done. As soon as you install this app, it's already working on your store and people cannot copy and paste your product descriptions, download your images or anything. So go ahead and double check that, make sure it's all working good. Drop a fire emoji down in the comments below if this was easy for y'all to install. All right, guys, there it is. Go ahead and download that app and stop people from copying all your stuff. If you got some value from this video today, definitely hit the like button below. Drop a comment if you have any questions or you just want to show some love. And make sure you subscribe as well. Also, if you're interested in our mentorship program designed for e-commerce businesses, click the link in the description. We got you on more details on that. With that being said, I hope you guys got some value from this video. Rich from Anywhere Squad, we out of here. Peace.